In this video, you will learn how to read this. The smallest unit of harmony is the chord. A chord is 3 or more notes sounding together. Although any combination of 3 or more notes can be a chord, the triad is a specific 3-note chord built in thirds. You have the root of the chord, the third, and the fifth. Chords are named by the note of the root. The most common triads have a perfect fifth between the root and the fifth. But the interval between the root and the third could either be major or minor. This is what makes a chord a major or a minor chord. The name of a major chord is indicated by a capital letter. The minor chord is indicated by adding a lowercase m to the letter name of the chord. Let us make a D major chord. Write 2 notes a third away from each other starting on the note D. So that would be the notes F and A. The fifth is already a perfect fifth. If you remember from the intervals video, a perfect fifth has the same accidental on both notes, or both notes are natural. Here, both notes are natural, so this is a perfect fifth. To write a major third, think of the root being the first scale degree of a major scale. In the key of D, there is an F sharp. So a major third from D is the note F sharp. Now we have a D major chord. How do we make it a minor chord? Lower the third a half step. So lower the note F sharp to the note F natural. Now we have a D minor chord. Let us make an E flat minor chord. Write 2 notes a third away from each other. So that is the notes G and B. First make the chord major. To have a perfect fifth, make the B natural a B flat. Then check the third. In the key of E flat, there is a note G natural. To make this a minor chord, lower the note G natural to G flat. Let us make one more. G flat minor. Write G flat, B, and D. Make D natural D flat to make it a perfect fifth. In G flat, there is a B flat. To make this chord minor, lower the B flat to a B double flat. And here is what you have learned today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.